to ABC's Ask an Expert, where we get answers from industry experts to commonly asked questions from homeowners. Today, we're joined by Will Brannon, ABC Austin's Electrical Service Manager. Will is a master electrician and has over 25 years of experience. Thank you so much for joining us, Will.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, so how big of a generator does a homeowner need for a 2,000 square foot house?
That's going to depend on the actual calculated load for the home, what kind of heating and cooling that they have on it. On average, a home that size would probably have around a 26 kW generator unit.
Gotcha. And how much is a generator of that size?
With a packaged installation for the average home is going to start in the $20,000 to $25,000 range, and that's including our plumbers providing the fuel source and our electrical crew installing it.
Mm-hmm. And then where would a homeowner put a generator and how much space does it need?
It usually needs to go somewhere in proximity to either the gas meter or the electric meter to make it convenient for either one of those sources to get to it. It typically needs about 3 foot on each side of it. So it needs a little bit of room to, for airflow around it. You need generally, I would say, a 10-foot wide, 5-foot deep space for it most of the time for breathing room. And it has to be away from doors, windows, air intakes to keep carbon monoxide out of the home.
Yeah. How long does it take to install a home generator?
The installations can be as quick as 1 day for the actual installation process to several days, depending on the complexity of it and the size of the machine.
Okay. And then I know we think about generators helping in the winter months, but how could a generator be helpful year-round?
So year-round, they can provide comfort by keeping your lights on, your refrigerator cold, freezer cold, and that can be useful, in a winter freeze or, an event like a summer thunderstorm or any kind of other, brownout or outages that we would have at any time of year.
Gotcha. I think that's it for our questions. Thank you so much for your time, Will. That's it for today's Ask an Expert from ABC Home and Commercial Services. Thank you again for answering our questions about generators.
Indeed, thank you.
ABC Home and Commercial Services.